Hey guys, it's my first video, and pretty much, yeah, my first video. And the videos are just all about me, if you do not mind. So yeah, this is my first video. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be here on YouTube. I've been waiting so much. So yeah. Best of luck. Let's get on. So first off, so today I'm doing something called Ringtone Fun. I like to call it, or you could just call it ringtones. Whatever. I'm just gonna do it. Ringtone Fun. So yeah. Now the first ringtone is airwaves. Airwaves, yeah. So that's airwaves. This next one is called Aquarium. I don't know. This is the song. Beautiful. Next off is basic tone. It's basic and it's ringtone. Isn't that so basic? Okay, next off we have Bumblebee. I like it. Me like it. Okay. Next off we have Chime. Clouditone. That was Clouditone. And this is Cricket Chirps. Digibel. That was Digibel. Faint. Then we have Happy Samba. Happy Scythe. Happy Synth. Whatever. High frequency. Okay. We got Polaris. Yeah. Ring. Yeah, that's it. Singletone 1. Singletone 2. Now I have my favorite. It's spinning round. We have Volcano. That was Volcano. Oh no. Sorry about that. If you can see that. No, you can't. The lighting is too much. Tones and tones. My ringtones. So yeah. Okay, next one is Welcome Back. Rack. Okay. Next off we have Beep Ones. And we have No Ring. I click it. And I hear nothing. That's why it's called No Ring. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe. And yeah, it's the first of my videos. And yeah, I'm so happy. So yeah, and yeah, pretty much. Nothing will be in the description below today, but please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more suggestions, please comment.